This is how to make money with SWAGBUCKS in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to earn SWAGBUCKS and make money in Nigeria. SWAGBUCKS is one of the most trusted names online in terms of surveys. The good news is that they will accept and pay Nigerians. The problem with survey sites for Nigerians is to see one that will accept and pay Nigerians. I recently did a video on how to make money with 5 best survey sites and apps that accept and pay Nigerians. This is a follow-up video on 18 ways to earn SWAGBUCKS in Nigeria and make money with this platform. This is a job you can do from anywhere in the world, including Nigeria. All you need to do is to download the app and start working. You can do this from home, on transit, and at any time of your choosing. And the good news is that you can get involved in doing extra microtask jobs to earn more money with this platform. Tasks such as watching videos and ad, clicking links, and doing search online. This website will pay you for doing all kind of microtask jobs online in Nigeria. It is very important for you to know that doing surveys online anywhere in the world can only earn you extra money. It will not make you a full-time income. Therefore, in this video, I'll be taking you to 18 different ways to earn SWAGBUCKS in Nigeria and make money. I will show you how to withdraw from this website directly to your bank account in Nigeria. I will take you through why I will never do survey in my life again, because I've done it before, and you will know what I'm currently doing now that has changed my life. So let's do it. Here is John from Ask JOFA, where we review different businesses and programs that accept and will pay Nigerians. It is always difficult to get online businesses and programs that is ready to accept and pay Nigerians. It is my duty to review different programs that will pay you and accept you as a Nigerian. So, if you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell. It will help you to know anytime I publish my videos every week. Also, use the link below the description of this video. You'll be able to have access to several businesses and programs that accept Nigerians, and you can start making money in dollars direct to your bank account in Nigeria. Towards the end of this video, I'll be taking you through how I make money online, and that is affiliate marketing. You will get to know the #1 affiliate marketing training center that changed my life and how you can start with them right here in Nigeria, and you can start making money affecting life. Doing survey will not make you earn passive income. You have to do the survey to earn the money. Affiliate marketing is what you can do once and you'll be making money even while you are sleeping. But to the business of the day, 18 ways to make money with SWAGBUCKS in Nigeria. So let's do it. This is SWAGBUCKS website. You can see this website. I've paid out over $746 million to people doing surveys on this site. This is how it works. You join, use the link below the description of this video. You do the task that I'm going to show you how to earn SB. I will also show you how to redeem your SB to money and get paid directly to your bank account in Nigeria via Pioneer. When you click this under special offers, you'll be able to earn 4,000 SBs. 4,000 SBs trending now. If you click this, it's playing game. You'll be able to earn 10 SB, and it applies to all this. Offer from trusted partners. When you do the task assigned to you by their partners, it will earn you these following SBs, and this SB can be converted to money via Pioneer that will soon show you. For you to earn enough SB and start making money on SWAGBUCKS in Nigeria, let me take you through 18 different ways to earn SB on this site. This is amazingprofitonline.com, one of my websites. I wrote this article on 18 best ways to earn SB fast on SWAGBUCKS in 2022. So this is how to make money in 18 different ways with this survey website from Nigeria. You see the link below the description of this video. The first one is activate swap button and earn 50 SB. When you activate that button, you'll be able to earn 50 SB. SB is a point that you must earn that you can convert to money. 100 SB is equal to $1. You do online shopping via SWAGBUCKS. You use your search engine to do shopping. These are different places you can shop and be able to earn SB. You take daily polls. Daily poll will earn you money on this website. You take advantage of in-store shopping offer. You can read all those things, get paid for watching videos, taking surveys. These are different ways you can make money on this survey site. Earn via SWAGBUCKS special offer. There are special special offers that you see every day. You can hunt for swag codes, MVA sweepstakes on this website. Taking daily goals will help you to earn money, make money playing games. Yes, you can make money playing games on this survey site. I did a full video on various websites that will accept Nigerians for playing games online. Earn while printing and redeeming coupons. Earn by referring your friends. You can refer your friends and earn 10% of what they earn for life. Make money downloading apps. Yeah, you can be downloading and testing websites and apps and you earn money. Earn money for following SWAGBUCKS on social media. You go to their social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, follow them, they will give you free SWAGBUCKS. So those are 18 different ways to earn SB fast on SWAGBUCKS in Nigeria. Thank you. This is how to get paid, and you'll be able to get your money direct to your bank account in Nigeria. After you must have earned enough SB on this site, all you need to do is to come to reward. You click this place, reward home. You come here, you click all gift card. All these are different ways to redeem your point. They've redeemed over 746 million that they've paid out. So these are different gift card. But you are from Nigeria, you cannot redeem Amazon gift card in Nigeria. So what you can do is to come here, click all gift cards, put Payoneer. You see, I did a video on a step-by-step process of how to sign up and create your account in Nigeria on Payoneer. The link will come out here. Use it to create your account. After you must have created your Payoneer account, that's when you do all this I'm explaining. You can see this. This is 5,200 SB. You'll be able to earn $52. This is 10,200 SB. You'll be able to earn $102. This is 25,200 SB. You'll be able to earn $252. Don't forget, 100 SB is equal to $1. So all you need to do is to click this place and you follow this process to claim your $52. If you use my Payoneer link below the description of this video to sign up, Payoneer will give you $25 gift. So that is how to get paid directly to your bank account in Nigeria doing surveys on this website. You now know how to make money with SWAGBUCKS in Nigeria. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. Get to the website, register, download the apps and start making money. Don't forget that you can only earn extra cash doing surveys anywhere in the world, including Nigeria. I recently did a video about 5 legit survey websites and apps that will accept and pay Nigerians. You can watch the video here. Doing multiple surveys on multiple websites can add up and help you make extra money, and you can get your money directly to your bank account in Nigeria. Thank you. Also, I promised to introduce to you the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world. I got to know about this company in 2016. I took the training and it changed my life. Since then, I've been working full-time online. This #1 affiliate marketing training center has helped me to build a very robust online businesses that is now helping me to earn passive income while I partner with Amazon, eBay and Walmart and so many other companies online. You can also have the same story to tell. You only need to take this training and this can change your life. The difference between you learning affiliate marketing on your own and taking training from this company is that this company have all the tools and resources you need to excel. They will give you 10 websites, host it, secure it, protect you and come to your aid. They will train you. We have weekly webinars every Friday all about affiliate marketing training on latest tricks and tips to make money online. You will have access to over 2 million other affiliates that are ready to help you. This is why training with this company is very important. Use this link to watch my success stories and how this particular website changed my life. It will also show you how to join from Nigeria. It is important for you to use my link below the description of this video for me to be able to hold your hands and help you through inside the training. Also, it is also important for you to join my free affiliate marketing email training. All you need to do is to go to askjofa.com, input your email and you will take the 5 days training. This will help you to communicate with me and you will be able to have an idea of how affiliate marketing works and you can start making money in dollars in Nigeria. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell. It will help many Nigerians to see this video and many can be liberated and stop searching for jobs. Also, do well to drop your comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. The next video will take you through how to join and start affiliate marketing with this #1 affiliate marketing training center, and you will also see the various benefits of this company in the second video. Thank you so much for your time and God bless you.